Alana. I'm a graduate of the MSc Marketing Practice Programme at the University of Galway. I've recently completed my 37-week placement here at JFC Group. I was initially drawn to JFC Group due to the diversity of sectors that they were actively engaged in. Although I didn't have much of an agriculture background, I was definitely up for a challenge. My day-to-day role includes social media marketing and monitoring, working with print publications, event management, analysing campaigns, lead management, and supporting the area sales managers in various countries here in Ireland, France and the Netherlands. The team here at JFC Group are great. Everyone is helpful and are happy to help. I've gotten great support from the marketing team in particular, who have always been there to answer any questions I may have, help me learn something new and to give great advice based on their past experiences. There's been great mentorship throughout my time here at JFC, which has aided my professional growth. One of the most valuable lessons I've learned during my time at JFC Group is the skill of international collaboration. In terms of marketing, I've been exposed to a variety of marketing aspects, from lead generation to email marketing, to learning about design and video elements. It truly is a great opportunity for marketing students to gain their experience. This experience has enhanced my ability to work as part of a team and to collaborate with colleagues across the globe. The placement is what drew me to the MSc Marketing Practice Programme. Personally, for me, I gain more value in physically doing the work, so for me, hands-on experience was a must. It's for sure a fast-paced environment around here. No 2 days are the same. It's great. I've been exposed to a variety of skills since joining JFC Group, which will give me the confidence progressing in my career. My time at JFC has been amazing, with a lot of learning curves, and for any student looking for a placement, I would highly recommend contacting the team at JFC.